Welcome to AI Watch, where we decode the stories shaping our technological future. Today we're diving into a development that could fundamentally change how we approach one of AI's most pressing questions. What happens to human work when machines get smarter? Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, has just launched something unprecedented in the AI industry. Their new Economic Futures program isn't just another research initiative, it's a systematic attempt to understand both the promise and the peril of artificial intelligence's impact on employment. This announcement, made just hours ago, represents a striking departure from the typical tech industry narrative that focuses primarily on AI's benefits while glossing over its potential disruptions. The timing of this program is particularly significant. We're at a moment when AI capabilities are advancing at breakneck speed, yet our understanding of the economic consequences remains frustratingly incomplete. Most discussions about AI and jobs have been dominated by either utopian predictions of enhanced productivity or dystopian warnings of mass unemployment. Anthropic's approach suggests a different path, evidence-based analysis that doesn't shy away from uncomfortable truths. Sarah Heck, who leads policy programs at Anthropic, framed the initiative with refreshing honesty. Rather than predetermined outcomes, the program aims to root conversations in evidence and acknowledge that AI's economic impact will be neither uniformly positive nor uniformly negative. This nuanced approach stands in stark contrast to the typical Silicon Valley tendency to present technological disruption as an unqualified good. The stakes couldn't be higher. Anthropic's own CEO, Dario Amodei, recently predicted that AI could eliminate half of all entry-level white-collar jobs and push unemployment to 20%. These aren't the words of a tech skeptic or industry outsider. They're coming from someone building the very systems that could cause this disruption. This level of candor from a major AI company is both rare and necessary. What makes this program particularly interesting is its focus on policy development. Rather than simply studying the problem, Anthropic is positioning itself to help shape solutions. This could mark a turning point where AI companies move beyond the traditional Silicon Valley approach of move fast and break things toward a more responsible model of move fast and fix things. The program's emphasis on collective thinking is equally notable. Heck spoke about convening diverse groups of thinkers, acknowledging that addressing AI's economic impact will require collaboration across disciplines and stakeholders. This collaborative approach recognizes that the challenges posed by AI automation are too complex for any single organization to solve alone. Recent research adds important context to Anthropic's initiative. Studies examining AI agents in simulated work environments have found that while these systems can enhance productivity, they're not yet ready to replace human workers entirely. This finding suggests we may have more time than some predictions indicate to prepare for AI's economic impact, but it also underscores the importance of using that time wisely. The psychology of worker anxiety around AI is also revealing. Research shows that 54% of workers worry about AI-driven job displacement, with concern highest among those who actually understand AI technology. This pattern suggests that familiarity with AI breeds realistic concern rather than unfounded fear, lending credibility to calls for proactive policy development. Anthropic's Economic Futures program represents more than just another research initiative. It signals a potential shift in how leading AI companies approach their responsibility to society. By acknowledging both the good and bad of AI disruption, Anthropic is modeling a more mature approach to technological development, one that considers consequences alongside capabilities. The program also raises important questions about the role of AI companies in shaping economic policy. Should the organizations building these transformative technologies be the same ones studying their impacts and proposing solutions? There's both wisdom and risk in this approach. The wisdom lies in their deep technical understanding and resources to conduct meaningful research. The risk lies in potential conflicts of interest and the concentration of power in the hands of a few technology companies. Looking ahead, the success of Anthropic's program will likely be measured not just by the quality of its research, but by its ability to translate findings into actionable policy recommendations. The program's emphasis on evidence-based analysis and collaborative problem-solving suggests a serious commitment to meaningful impact rather than public relations theater. The broader implications extend beyond employment policy. Anthropic's approach could establish a new standard for responsible AI development, one where companies proactively study and address the societal implications of their technology rather than leaving these concerns to government regulators or academic researchers working with limited resources. This initiative also highlights the growing recognition that AI's impact on society will be determined not just by technological capabilities, but by the policy choices we make in response to those capabilities. The question isn't whether AI will disrupt labor markets, it's how we'll choose to manage that disruption. As we watch this program unfold, we're witnessing a potential inflection point in the relationship between AI companies and society. Anthropic's willingness to confront difficult questions about AI's economic impact could inspire other technology companies to take similar responsibility for their innovations' broader consequences. The Economic Futures program represents hope that we might navigate the AI transition more thoughtfully than previous technological revolutions. By studying both the opportunities and challenges ahead, we have a chance to shape an AI-enabled future that enhances human flourishing rather than simply maximizing technological efficiency. This has been AI Watch, where we explore the technologies reshaping our world. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember that the future of AI isn't just being built in labs. It's being decided by the choices we make along the way.